Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best MIG welders in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. VEVOR MIG 270. The arc welding machine has a built-in protection device, and the engine will automatically shut down when overheated and overload. It is protected against splashing water, with a protection level of IP21, which has good water resistance. The welding machine has knobs to support different current adjustment needs, voltage adjustment needs, and wire speed control. A full digital control system and dual digital display can realize precise control and stable arc length during welding. This MIG TIG stick welder is the integrated wire feeder to whom you should thank when you see a smooth wire feed. Number 4. LOTOS MIG 175 high-speed MIG spool gun for aluminum welding, 10 feet 4 inches long, 4-prong end connection, 1 pound aluminum wire with dia. 0.9 mm included. Can weld 3/16 inch or thinner aluminum plate. The durable high-quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Multi-use welding: stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum and other metal materials. Reliable and durable. Its transformer technology has been proven to be reliable and durable. MIG 175 can easily connect it to your existing 220V wall outlet and can be set up quickly within 10 minutes. It handles industrial standard 4 or 8 inch wire spools and incorporates resettable overload protection to assure long operating life. Number 3. Goplus MIG 130 features 4 levels of current flow settings by adjusting the 4 buttons for min-max a half. Also features a wire feeding speed adjust rotary knob. 10 levels of wire feeding speeds for your choice. 2 air vent on the machine to help heat dissipation. The welding gun with full on-off safety control. Standard American triangle ground cord and automatic thermal safety protection. Comes with a reel of 0.9 mm, 0.55 pounds welding wire, a protection mask and a brush chipping hammer. Perfect for welding normal thin steel and iron, perfect for home and general repairing work. Features a easy carrying handle, lightweight, compact design, easy for translation and storage. Number 2. Hobart Handler 140 operates off 115V standard household current, wire feed speed range 40 to 700 IPM, 50 to 740 IPM at no load. Welds 24 gauge up to 1/4 in mild steel, weldable materials. Steel, stainless steel and aluminum. 5-position voltage control selector adds a smooth, stable arc at all welding thicknesses. 10 feet work cable with clamp, power cord, dual gauge regulator with gas hose, .030 inch contact tips, quick select drive roll, sample spool of flux cord wire and material thickness gauge. Built with an industrial cast aluminum drive system and a heavy-duty work clamp, the Handler 140 delivers a wire welding package with industrial performance. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld 261 all-metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. Lightweight 19 pounds easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. Up to 140 amp output that allows you to weld mild steel up to 1/4 in plate. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.